55 out of 67 counties in Florida use a local option sales tax to fund infrastructure needs. In Charlotte County, our citizens have achieved amazing results by collecting their pennies. 1 cent makes a difference. How does it work? For every dollar spent that is subject to sales tax, 1% goes into a sales tax fund devoted to specific capital improvement projects. Since 1994, the sales tax has transformed Charlotte County by funding a variety of quality of life projects. Our first sales tax was levied in 1994 specifically for a new Justice Center and new county jail complex. In 1998, 2002, and again in 2008, the voters approved an extension. The 1% local option sales tax and extensions made our community a better place to live. Your pennies purchased sidewalks so kids can safely walk to school, roads and shelters to safeguard our citizens during hurricanes, emergency rescue vehicles, and fire stations for the protection of all our residents. On November 4th, the voters will decide whether or not to extend the 1% local option sales tax for 6 years. This is not a new tax. This is the continuation of the existing penny that was approved in 1994. The current sales tax extension expires December 2014. The 1% local option sales tax is an investment in our community, an investment that provides a return to everyone. 1 cent makes a difference. The 2014 sales tax extension will fund the following quality of life, public safety, transportation infrastructure, and school projects. The Harbor Walk Gateway Project Phase 2 would construct a covered pedestrian gathering place and provide enhanced public access to the waterfront. The North Charlotte Regional Park project would build a 30,000 square foot recreation center with multi-purpose gymnasium, fitness center, multi-purpose classrooms, community garden, and administrative offices for the Community Services Department. The multi-use trails and on-road bicycle lanes project would construct 10 miles of multi-use trails and/or bikeways that complete phased projects, close gaps, or provide linkages to existing trails. The construction of the Ann Deaver Memorial Regional Park Recreation Center will provide fitness and recreation opportunities in West County. The 23,000 square foot recreation center will have a multi-purpose gymnasium, fitness center, multi-purpose rooms, and community garden. The Oyster Creek Pool Splash Pad. The current pool features 8 lanes for lap swimming, a dive well, and zero-depth pool entry for accessibility. There are limited opportunities for play at the pool. The addition of a wading pool and play structure will provide additional amenities for families who use the pool for recreational swimming. Recreation centers in Charlotte County provide a variety of quality programs for youth, adults, and seniors alike. From summer camp programs to basketball leagues and exercise programs to educational classes. The renovations will provide additional space for programs and activities for the citizens and visitors of Charlotte County. McGuire Park Phase 1. Many elements of the existing park are in an unusable condition or are exceeding their useful lifespan. Public input and current plans will be used to determine the new park elements. The South County Library and Archive project would build a new 24,000 square foot library with youth and program space, computer labs, and space for instructional classes with 1,000 square feet for archive functions. The Family Service Center expansion and remodeling project would redesign the current structure, allowing for maximum use of wasted space. In addition, a new structure will be built on the existing land to replace the current rear building. The new building will provide approximately 16,000 to 25,000 square feet, which will help provide additional services. Veterans Memorial Park project would create a dedicated memorial park that unites the over 25,000 veterans of Charlotte County and bring great pride to veterans. The park will be a prestigious place to assemble for Memorial and Veterans Day programs, as well as a quiet place for individuals and families to remember loved ones. Public Safety Digital Radio project would replace the existing analog equipment and software, bringing Charlotte County to the national standard for public safety communication and provide interoperability between these agencies, including emergency management, Department of Health, county departments, sheriff, fire EMS, city of Punta Gorda, airport authority, and more. The Fiber to Fire Station project will replace DSL and cable to fire stations for computer connectivity. The goal is to have all stations on fiber when it becomes available to increase performance, reliability, and security of internet connections. West County Annex Replacement Project would enable the Supervisor of Elections, the Tax Collector, the Volunteer Clinic, and the Office of Commissioner Truex and Human Services to better provide service to an increasing West County population. The jail expansion Phase 1 would create a 128-bed medical wing, reducing the cost of outsourcing patients to area hospitals and clinics. It will ensure the accreditation standards will be maintained as jail populations increase. The Charlotte County Sheriff District 1 headquarters will build a new 12,000 square foot district office on county property at Sunny Brook and Wilmington Boulevard. This is planned to accommodate foreseeable future growth and provide multiple main arterial access points for even response times. The Olean Boulevard widening project would widen the existing 3-lane roadway to 4-lane divided roadway to facilitate multiple access points to existing businesses and medical facilities along the corridor. Piper Road North improvements are needed to support new businesses or expand existing developments and businesses along the roadway corridor in an area known as Enterprise Charlotte Airport Park. The improvements will extend Piper Road from Henry Street North to US 17. Therefore, having a direct connection and complete roadway corridor providing commercial properties access to US 17 and I-75. 3 school projects are included on the list of sales tax projects. The Front Entry Access Control Project will remodel front entries to create a single point of entry for visitors. Classroom security function lock sets. The lock sets will enable staff to secure a classroom from the inside, thereby reducing the possible exposure of public, staff, and students to an intruder. School wireless technology upgrades will replace and enhance the wireless access points at all our school sites, providing better service to nearly 16,000 students and 2,000 staff members every day. Public safety is expensive. Rising costs, property tax reform, and reduction in state and federal assistance requires that we find alternative funding sources. The sales tax extension allows all groups to contribute to our future, not just local property owners. Tourists, visitors, and seasonal residents contribute toward making Charlotte County a great place to work and play. Charlotte County local option sales tax has served us well in the past and can continue to do so in the future. This November, the voters of Charlotte County will make a choice for the future of our community. For more information about past, current, and proposed sales tax projects, please visit charlottecountyfl.gov. The choice is yours on November 4th.